Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of the new ramp that's being constructed at Freetown to access Highway 2000. Now this Highway 2000 East-West leg, also known as the PJ Patterson Highway, takes you from Kingston to Mandeville now. It's eventually going to go to Negril, and in Black River it will have an interchange where you can head to Negril or you can go to Montego Bay. So this is a major road in Jamaica. It's a toll road. Now when the road was originally built, the areas weren't as developed as they are now. So you have an exit for Old Harbour, Spanish Town, Maypen. But out here in Freetown, a lot of development is taking place. So they're putting in another ramp here. It's going to be a diamond interchange. You can get on and off the highway in all four directions. So they're actually building two ramps. This is the ramp by the Port Escobel Sports Ground, and the other ramp is straight ahead by the Hypro Feed Factory. We'll show you the other ramp in another video. So the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. They are actually the ones who built they're building the Highway 2000 now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening out here. The Freetown interchange on Highway 2000 in Jamaica is a significant infrastructure project aimed at enhancing connectivity for residents of Freetown and surrounding communities in Clarendon. The project involves constructing new access ramps to the east-west leg of Highway 2000, facilitating easier travel to and from areas such as Longville Park, the Avery, New Harbour Village, and Sandy Bay. The development includes building a westbound entry ramp near the existing exit at the Hypro factory and an eastbound exit ramp near the current eastbound entry ramp opposite the Port Escobel Sports Club in Bowles. These additions will allow residents to access the highway more conveniently, reducing travel times and improving overall connectivity. Construction started in mid-2024. The project is scheduled for completion by the first quarter of 2025. The construction is being undertaken by China Harbour Engineering Company. The interchange is being constructed at a cost of $320 million, with Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited investing over $700 million to construct ramps linking communities to the east-west segment of Highway 2000. There will be no tolls on the new ramps themselves. However, travelers proceeding further along the highway will encounter toll plazas where standard fees apply. This infrastructure enhancement is expected to alleviate traffic congestion, support economic development, and improve the quality of life for residents by providing more efficient access to major urban centers and facilitating the movement of goods and services. Alright guys, it's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we'll give you guys updates on this project every month. Alright guys, have a good day.